Hey everyone, welcome back to the home stretch. I'm Nina Soden with the Soden team at Legend Realty.
And I'm Frisby with Victorian Finance.
Today we're switching gears and talking lifestyle, specifically our top 5 favorite places to eat in Madison County.
And quick disclaimer, this list is totally opinion-based, and it's constantly changing and evolving. Madison County has so much good food.
Absolutely. And none of these places are sponsoring us.
No.
All right. Kicking it off, Commerce Kitchen in downtown Huntsville. It is southern, upscale, comfort food, and always consistent.
Next up, J. Alexander's. So if you want elevated dining, great cocktails, and a date night vibe, this one's hard to beat.
Number 3, Ted's Barbecue. Local favorite, incredible barbecue, and definitely a Madison County staple.
4th on the list, Fat Sammy's. It's fun, creative, tiki-inspired, and just a great overall experience.
And rounding out our top 5, Domain South. European style, cozy atmosphere, and perfect for brunch or a relaxed dinner.
Food is such a huge part of what makes a place feel like home.
And Madison County definitely delivers.
We would love to know your favorite places to eat here in Madison County, because I know there's plenty more out there, wherever you're from.
Thanks for joining us today on the home stretch. If you'd like to suggest a topic or you have a question, please do so by putting them in the comments of this or any of our videos.
And don't forget to like, share, and follow. Subscribe.
It really does help. All right, we'll see you next time on the home stretch.
Bye.